is the rally. It's usually an annual event, and it's aimed at younger kids.
The idea is to get the kids involved with different activities to teach them about their health, lungs, asbestos.
This allows you magnification so you can see details.
It's also an outreach event for CARD to make sure that that age range is aware of the asbestos and the vermiculite that's a problem here. It's not something that's usually taught anywhere in school.
Have you ever breathed in any smoke?
It's called Breathing in Science, to get kids excited about how the scientific process works and let them play games and ask questions.
It's a vermiculite ore that they mined.
We show them what it looks like, talk to them about where it might be, make sure they know hands off, go tell an adult.
This is actual material from the mine and from Libby.
We've invited all these scientists back to the community in order to participate in this because these are the experts.
Hop on 1 foot 10 times.
There are activities that may involve just coloring, like for the little kids there may be a picture of some lungs or a body or bones or whatever.
We are making gummy worms. This is a mixture of calcium chloride and sodium alginate. And if we put a good amount of it in there, it kind of clumps together, and you can pull it out on a big old string. Just a little slimy.
You got a dinosaur again. Is it this one, people? Yeah, it is.
It is really fun to see the kids just get excited about it, and sometimes the parents get really excited too, and the kids will try out the thing and then they're done and then the parents are like, can I jump in and try it? And
it's also about their future and their own health. We just have been talking about early exposures in children, and the kind of data that we're getting from those studies suggests that early childhood exposures are very, very important. And so they need to know right away that because they live in Libby or have lived in Libby that there is some risk, and so they know how to manage it and it becomes normal for them.